Here's one of my great go-to super easy summer recipes for arugula pesto. You need a bunch of fresh arugula, garlic paste or a couple of garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of walnuts, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 4 to 6 tablespoons of extra virgin Greek olive oil. Transfer the arugula to the bowl of a food processor after chopping it. Next, add the garlic paste. You can also add a little salt at this point. Add the walnuts. Pour in the olive oil, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. And turn on the food processor. Pulse the mixture to a nice chunky paste. The arugula pesto makes an easy, healthy snack. I like to serve it with Greek rusks or paximadia. You can also toss it into pasta for a quick meal or fold it into an omelette or add a little Greek feta cheese to it. It's really versatile. It's really good. Mmm.